Today we will be setting up a Laundry Boss network setup. First, we will need to plug in our gateway device. Plug it into power and insert the connector. Next, take an Ethernet cable and run it from your gateway to your ISP device and an Ethernet port on the back. Next, we will connect our switch to power. Note the 8 ports on the front are numbered 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, going away from the power connector. Connect port 5 on the gateway device to port 8 on the switch device. Connect the Laundry Boss hub to port 5 on the switch device. And finally, connect the access point to port 1 on the switch device. Inserting the other end of the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port on the access point. You have now connected the Laundry Boss network.